Alright guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. Not really a tutorial per se, just like I've been doing. It's actually a festive period time, so I would be dishing out free resources to you guys as a gift. Yeah, so this is, I call this massive resource package. Yeah, so this contains so many let's get there. This contains so many both church resources, PNG, and lots more. You would not like to miss this. So this is there's so many resources here, so many. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, these are balloons. Yes, you can implement this in your Christmas designs, or say birthday design, or designs relating to to kiddies. Yes, so we also have more here. We also have animals. For animals, these are animals here. Yes, then these are badge. So I know you love this, many of you. These are badges, but these are just a few. Yes, but trust me, it will serve your purpose and lots more. There are so many here. Actually, I don't want this video to be a long one. Yes, so these are wristwatches. So wristwatches. Let's take a look at this cap. These are different caps, hats, and so many you want to implement in your design process. So just check out. You don't need to download this. I've downloaded it already for you. So just stick to the end of the video. You would get the access to these are cameras. Yes, you get the access to having the folder. So these are shapes. Okay, this you have to download this first to your system. Let's take a look at this cooler and lights. Yes, you love this. These are coolers and lights. Most for designers that know how to use this, the implementation, like to implement this in your designs. This is make use of this while using blend mode. Yes, to blend some of these things in your design. So let's take a look at this design now. Okay, these are also backgrounds. I have so many backgrounds here I can serve your needs. So you just play around with them and you find them to what you suit. Yeah, I love this particular. I think I use this for one of my Christmas designs like that. And this is PNG models, social media designs, and maybe your YouTube thumbnail. You can make use of this. Yes. And this is church resource package. Church resource package. Yes. Church resource package. So many, lots more. Like so many, and sometimes you can actually implement this and play around with them so that you can serve as movie flyer design. Yes, these are also stock images that you can make use of. And let's take a look at this crazy design. So this you have 3D crazy 3D sources. Yeah, so this just play around with them. You can implement them in your design processes. This crazy 3D resources. Then let's go back. These are icons. These icons can make them to fill up spaces in your designs, or they serve as a representative of an object. So this is crazy. Why it's called crazy? Man, just take a look at this. This sweet. Just play around with them. So you need Christmas background resources. Just check below this video. You would see Christmas resources and also some flyers, Christmas flyer designs. Yes, already made. So you would just edit them and then that's it. So these are fonts also. You get the package. Yeah, these are fonts also, beautiful fonts. You won't like to miss out. So download them and um, get started to enhance your design. Just take a look at this. Go back. So these are HD graphic resource pack. So many. Just take them and add them into your resource library. So I think these are crazy stock. Okay, I think we've looked into this. So this is a resource pack. So this is just okay. Let's take a look at this pixels collection. So pixels collection, there are also stock images, background, and from here you can pick one or two things, you cut them out and work with them. Yes, one thing about design is manipulation. Just have to manipulate one or two things to get what you want. Believe me, from more manipulation will actually increase your design knowledge to be very vast. So these are so many church flyer designs. Yeah, just take a bit of this, you brush it out, good to go. Reduce your opacity, then to give you what you want. Yeah, you need text effect file. Check a link below. You would also get checked my previous video. You also get how to download the text effect files and enhance your design process. So just stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be releasing more videos that would help you out. So to get access to all these files, there's no need for you looking for how to download this. I have already downloaded this, so you just check on the link below. You would see a link below. If you have been observant with the patterns in which I released this video, you would see passkeys at interval. These are passwords to the drive below. So the drive has access. To have access to the drive below, just take your time and watch the video. You would get the access. You get the passkey, and this passkey will give you access to these ultimate resources. So immediately you get the resources, just come down below and comment thank you, so that others will actually know that it's valid. Yes, so it won't take time. Just take your time and watch the video very closely. You just look around the video, you will see a passkey. Just blink at intervals. Yes, you will see 2226 6 passkeys. So yeah, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Yeah, thank you.